Hello, it is Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology for an update on severe thunderstorms across southeastern Australia. Again, today is the 3rd of January 2024. Can't believe I'm saying that. And let's start with a look at satellite imagery. And there's a couple of things I wanted to show on the satellite imagery from this morning. The first is the lack of cloud across this part of the country here. Southeastern Queensland, northeastern New South Wales, some of the areas which have been hit really hard with heavy rain and flooding since New Year's Eve have now got a brighter, drier, more settled stretch of weather as the cleanup is underway across this part of the country. But it's not clear everywhere. We are seeing a band of clouds stretching from inland South Australia across Adelaide and making its way down towards Tasmania, Victoria and southern parts of New South Wales again, and it is these areas down here in the south where thunderstorms are likely to become an issue through the course of Wednesday afternoon. If we switch off of the satellite image, which is what has happened so far this morning, and onto the rain forecast to see how things are looking for the next few hours, we will start to see some areas of rain really pop up through the early hours on Wednesday afternoon through southeastern parts of the country. There's a broad thunderstorm risk. I'm going to try and outline it here. It goes inland of Sydney all the way across to the far west of Victoria and much of Tasmania as well. Now, storms are possible through all of these areas through Wednesday afternoon and evening, but in particular, the risk of severe thunderstorms is in here. It's around the Victoria New South Wales border in the southeast of the country. Severe thunderstorms are storms which get large enough to generate any of the following: heavy to intense rainfall, damaging to destructive wind gusts, and large to giant hail. And that is possible through these areas, but in particular the far east of Victoria around Gippsland, the far southeast of New South Wales around the Snowy Mountains, and the South Coast Forecast District. If we look ahead to tomorrow as well into Thursday, we'll notice another area of thunderstorm risk, but it does start to slide northwards just a little bit. In general for Thursday, thunderstorms become most likely around southern and central New South Wales, maybe just the far northeast of Victoria as well, but there is generally a northeastward movement to the thunderstorm risk for tomorrow. At the moment, at the time of filming, which is around midday Australian Eastern Daylight Time, there are no severe thunderstorm warnings active yet across the southeast of the country, but our team is watching closely all through the afternoon this evening, and tonight we will be looking for severe thunderstorms and issuing those severe thunderstorm warnings as and when necessary to give you a heads up about the incoming severe weather. So if you are in those southeastern parts of the country, do keep half an eye at the Bureau website or on the app for those latest severe thunderstorm warnings, and we'll keep you updated on social media as well.